we have a documentary of the lovely forest. This tree has stood the test of time. It is very tall and has never fallen down once. You can see the moss growing from beneath its leaves. Don't ask about that. These spiky leaves, they're not even spiky at all. Now if we inspect the leaf, you can actually see through a hole. And then where are we going to go? A thorn bush. Oh. Look at that thorn bush. We have a tree which is very, 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 very small. If you thought it was going to be tall, then why am I standing on a log? I don't know. Trees look like me and Luke's phone. Over here we have the nice flat land where you are safe to just stand. Breaking news, we have a shelter. Let's test its inside. Oh, it's not stable. It's not stable. Ow! Run away. That's dangerous. It's cool. I've been watching Darland Forest nature documentary. Thank you.